Hi, Adepoju Aishat. I wanted to learn graphics design. Then I met a friend on Instagram. Then he referred me to some academies, which Nedi High was one of it. So then I clicked on the website. I went to their website. They have an amazing website, a professional website. So then I've been here for about 3 weeks now, and I've really learned a lot. There were a lot of things in graphics design that I thought I knew already, but when I came here, I really learned a whole lot of things, even things I didn't even imagine, things I didn't even know existed in graphics design. So it's an amazing place, and it's a friendly environment and very, very flexible to learn. Thank you.